Talo falava ko Connect TV o lo ingoa Asuelu Pula'a o te sao mai utulailai Falealili ni Samoa. When I first got here in America, I really liked the hot one because I can go outside and do my hours outside do some chores. But in the cold one, I just like stayed inside the house. Yeah, I just made one of the dance group. It's called Shiva Pacifica. It's held by the Samoan couple. Their name is April and Ron Kyle. That's her husband. So I just helped them and with the dance group, and me and her son teach the boys of the Samoan dance and also the Samoan culture. I can't really explain how lucky I am to have this beautiful family and beautiful people. They live this family. Like, I'm very thankful to God to bless me and have this family. How they treat me, it's like my real family. It's my island of Samoa, and I wish maybe one day and me and my family go back to Samoa. And mostly things I missed about Samoa is my parents, and I miss my friends, my job there, and lifestyle there. When I was growing up in Samoa, like I hear this a lot, like here in America, the honey here it's sweet and the milk here it's cheap. Like in Samoa, here in America, it's fairly susu. So now I'm coming here in America, it's not true. The milk here it's very expensive, and the honey here, it's not sweet, it's sour. The food here I don't like it. It's not tasty. It's make me diarrhea every time. But the food in Samoa is very nice, like the taro, the pau, the palusami, and the fish. When I come here in America, it's like a big holiday here in America, and me and my wife and also her family celebrate our Thanksgiving, and my mom-in-law and my brother-in-law went out shopping and they cook as well, and they cook a turkey. So I didn't know it's a turkey. It's for the Thanksgiving. So yeah, we have a nice Thanksgiving holiday. In Samoa, we just celebrate in my job and also the church, but not really the family. The family just do the same thing like every day. And come here in America, I was decorating the Christmas tree and the Christmas lights around my house, outside and inside. And I can't wait to be on Christmas, and I can't wait to open my present for my family here in America. Manuia Christmas, Samoa and everyone, and keep it go-go.
País